Hello, my name's Chris Asbury. I'm currently a retail manager at Aldi supermarkets. Yeah.
Amazing. Make sure you're keeping your focus on me. Just ignore the camera. Literally, we're just going to chat here, okay? What brought you to the Samuel Leeds event?
So I've been following Samuel Leeds on YouTube for probably like 5 or 6 years, and I've debated going to the crash course for a long time, and I decided just to bite the bullet this time and go. Just have a bit of a passion for property. I think it's quite a lucrative investment strategy. So
Excellent. And what was it about Samuel's training over other trainings that made you think this is the one for me?
to be honest, I haven't seen many others. I just saw him everywhere, and I just felt like he explained the strategies. It just made it seem a lot simpler than it was. Maybe is. I haven't found out yet. So
Cool. And how have you found being there?
brilliant. Everyone's friendly. Mentors are helpful. Everyone I've spoken to, it just seems like a big community, if you know what I mean. So yeah, it's really good.
Excellent. And what's your key takeaways leaving today with? What knowledge or kind of are you coming away more inspired or
Yeah, a bit of both. I mean, the days are full of action. Like you get picked, well, you pick up a lot of knowledge. And I found quite a lot of people I seem to get along with, similar mindsets and stuff like that. So we've managed to network quite effectively as well. So yeah,
excellent. And final question to anyone who was on the edge, what would you say?
I would just do it. Just go to the £1 crash course. It's not much of an investment. You go there and you'll realise how detailed that is and how valuable that is for money. So I would just go, at least to the crash course.